everyone, this is Diana from China. Today I will introduce our digital knife cutting machine. Firstly, I will introduce the materials which used in advertisement industry. Okay, first one, you can see this box is big. So the material is corrugated board to make it, and the cutting speed is about 300 mm per second. So next one, the same material, also corrugated board, but the product is like an airplane. And the third one, honeycomb board, to make the small box and other pattern. Okay. So next one is again the airplane. The material is foam board to make it. You can see it's very flexible, not hard. So cutting is very smooth. You can see this one is PP board. Usually we use this material to make the box to load other products, other goods. And this one is PVC board, also named is acrylic. Its specialty is hard, so we can use another knife to cut it, like the mini tool. Mainly use it to cut the hard material, just like the acrylic. And this one, it looks like a paper, but it's not. It's a sticker. Use our kiss cut knife to cut the up layer. We only get the up layer, and the down layer we don't use it. You can see the last material is EVA material. EVA is not hard, but the thickness is thick. It's big. So this one is thin, this one is thick. Use the pneumatic knife to cut it. Okay, you can see the year 2022 is coming. So today I will introduce our new machine to you. Okay, next we introduce the knife, the machine, and the function to you. Now I introduce the different knife cutting tools. Firstly, I introduce this one. This is the oscillating knife. Mainly use the edge to cut through the different materials. You can see these two materials. This one is corrugated board material. We use the oscillating knife to cut through, and we use the V-cut to cut the groove, to cut the angle, different angles, the groove to make one box. And also you can see this one is a PP board. PP board also cut by the oscillating knife, but only straight cut, cannot make the V cut, make any groove or any angle on this material. You can see this knife is creasing wheel. Use this knife to make the creasing on the paper board, just like the thin board, corrugated board. I show you the samples. We use the knife to creasing on the board, like this, and the wheel is returned. And then finally we got this creasing and make the box to like this. Okay, this one knife is drag knife. Mainly use it to cut the PVC or foam or some thin but not thick materials. I show you the sample. You can see this one. We call it is one foam board. This material can be cut by oscillating knife and also the drag knife, but the best cutting speed and the best efficiency is by using this knife. Okay, the next one knife is kiss cut knife. Yeah, in before video I introduced this knife can cut the sticker. Yeah, this is the material. Just use this knife to cut the up layers, and the down layer we don't use it. This one is pneumatic knife to cut thick and some hard material, just like the sponge, the foam, and the EVA. I show you the products. Yeah, you can see. Oh, this is EVA, sponge EVA. You can see this thickness is about 7 cm. This thickness can also be cut by the pneumatic knife. Okay. Yeah, this material can also be cut because it is very soft. Soft material can be cut by the pneumatic knife. Okay, the last one knife is on the machine. It is milling tool knife. I told this knife can cut very hard material, just like this acrylic. It can cut about 10 mm thickness of the acrylic. Then I show you the knife holders on the machine. This one and this one, they are same, but we can install the different knife tool in the knife holders. Yeah, it's very easy to install it. And you can see this, the second knife holder can install the drag knife, and also the kiss cut knife, and same, it can install the V-cut, crazing wheel. By this way, you can save many costs on your project. Now I introduce the software. This is AOL Cut software. It can read the PLT, DSF, and AI format, the drawings. Then you import this format into our software. Machine can read it. What you want the patterns will be cut by this machine.